Here we've got OPPO A73, and let me show you how to activate and use TalkBack on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. From the following list, find and select additional settings and then go to the accessibility. Now you have to enter the code from here, so it's ASVK, tap on use, and now we've got the access to accessibility settings. Click on TalkBack to activate this feature, and if you want to turn on TalkBack, which will provide you with spoken feedback to help you see what is actually here, what is displayed on your screen, just click here and then confirm that you would like to enable TalkBack by tapping on enable. Here you can come along with the whole tutorial, but basically all you have to do is to mark some particular content once, and then if you want to select it, just double tap on it. So let me go back, double tap to select it, and if you would like to, and if you would like to activate something, just mark it. And if you want to activate it, as you could hear, double tap to do it. And here we've got it. Then we can go back by marking accessibility. And let's go back. If you would like to turn TalkBack off, just mark it. Click twice to select it. Tap here and double tap to switch it off. And this is it. So that's basically all. That's how you can use TalkBack. You can easily activate it and then smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.